So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Polkadot cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, go to the bottom, press on the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here, just go to the top to where it says search by name or symbol, and then just start typing in Polkadots. Once it's here, it'll show up. It's the ticker symbol DOT or DOT. Select it. Once you're on this page, just go to the bottom and press on the green buy icon or button. Then once you're here, type in the amount of Polkadot crypto that you want to buy. So in my case, I will do $5. As an example, if this looks good, go ahead and press review. Then once you're here, you can review the order so you can check out the amount of Polkadot that you're buying, the fee, the cost, etc. And if this looks good, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Polkadot cryptocurrency on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.